Konnichiwa, Toyota, Mitsubishi, Suzuki, Kimochi. This is Art Senpai and welcome to my channel. The reason why I use Art Senpai as my channel name is simply because Senpai art is taken. God damn it. It's so hard to think of a username nowadays. So many usernames being taken. As I thought, this planet is too overpopulated with humans. Where the hell is THANOS? Sorry, back to the intro. By looking at my channel name, you will probably think that I'm a weeaboo that draws naked lollies every day. Well, sorry to disappoint you guys, but I will be drawing that in another channel. Come on, you know I'm just serious. Alright, jokes aside. I'm actually a university student and I do YouTube as a side hobby. I never attended drawing classes that specifically teaches you how to draw anime styles. It was mostly self-taught. The only formal art education I had received is how to draw an apple, and it was during my kindergarten days. My drawings will be more on the anime side, like tutorials on drawing body parts of an anime character, from eyes to chest and to thigh. If you particularly like tights, I see you're a man of culture. I will also make tutorial videos on specific anime characters that you guys request. If you guys want me to draw Naruto, I can draw Naruto. If you guys want me to draw Dragon Ball, damn right you know I'll draw Krillin, because he's the best character in the whole series. Don't even try. Well, you get a rough idea of this channel's content. I just want to say I'm no Masashi Kishimoto or Eiichiro Oda, but I'm constantly learning to draw better. But no worries, I can draw well as of now, I guess. Hopefully, I will be able to reach the level in the future and produce greater artworks and drawings for you guys. I will share all my knowledge that I've learned throughout my years of drawing lollies to you guys. I hope my videos can help you improve your anime drawing skills, and most importantly, draw yourself a lolly whenever you feel like it. And fap to it later on. So that is all for my introduction video. Subscribe to my channel, please give this video a like, and I hope you guys enjoy. Jana, kouhais.